Hi, I'm Scott Schubert. Most of the people who are currently successful in Forex trading and have been so for some time know that a big part of success in Forex trading is what goes on in the mind. That is positive versus negative thinking, and also the subconscious programming that we put into our minds in order to create success or failure. For instance, a lot of people will look at a Forex trading method, and maybe a certain percentage of those people will look at this exact same Forex trading method and say, this is too simple. This couldn't possibly work. I already understood this before, and therefore this is nothing, and I'll go move on and find something else to do. The end result is they don't experience the success of the Forex trading method that they were reviewing. Another group of people will look at the exact same Forex trading method and say, this is just too difficult, it's complicated, I could never learn this, and therefore I'm going to move on and try to find something more simple. And the end result is the same. Both groups of people don't experience success, while a third group of people looks at the same Forex trading method and says, this is great, they apply the techniques and they get the results. There are a lot of people in the world who have negative beliefs about money and prosperity. In fact, most of us do have some kind of subconscious programming from our early childhood throughout our entire lives that has caused us to pick up subconscious beliefs that are negative about money. For instance, there are people who will watch these videos and then make a comment. That person is trying to sell something. Now, what's the belief behind that? That selling something is the most vile, evil thing in the world that you could possibly do. Now, it doesn't take a rocket scientist or a psychotherapist to figure out that a person who is trying to be successful in business is selling things. That person believes that selling things is something really bad. That person will have some kind of subconscious conflict that will absolutely cause them to never be successful in business. So what is the belief behind this? If you intend to be successful in business, you first need to adopt new beliefs or have new beliefs programmed into your subconscious mind. Such things as selling things is good. When I see someone selling something, I admire that person and I say that person is a fellow capitalist, a fellow entrepreneur. I wonder what they're selling, because that person who is successful must have some reason for wanting to sell that thing. I want to buy what they have. Interestingly, a lot of people also believe that it's bad to buy things. If you have a business, is it bad to buy things for your business? I'm always looking for things to buy for my business, and in the Forex trading business, there is such a low monthly expense compared to any other business that we have hardly anything to buy anyway. You have a computer and an internet connection. What else can you buy? Charts. We get charts free. What else can you buy for your business? I'm looking for things to buy to improve my business, and there isn't hardly anything to even spend money on in the Forex trading business. It never ceases to amaze me how many people are actively struggling to become successful in business, and yet they believe that selling things is bad. Now, what about in the Forex trading business itself? We are actually buying and selling a commodity, currencies, and for no other reason than to make a profit. We're not even doing it to provide a legitimate product or service to other people. This is a belief that many of us, even including myself, had to overcome. Is it okay for me to make money buying and selling something for no other reason than to make profit? I'm not even providing a legitimate product or service that benefits other people when I click on buy or sell in my trading platform. I'm doing it strictly to make profit. But if I program into my subconscious mind that doing that is a benefit to the world, then I will be more likely to have success. If I believe that that's a good thing to do and it will benefit myself and other people. So examine what's going on in your own mind, and the interesting thing is we can't even see or perceive what's happening for the most part at our subconscious level. So people who are successful in all areas of business have long since known that things like positive thinking is critical, but there are things that you must do to your subconscious mind, and that's something that we're going to continue to explore in our live webinars and also in these videos. One of the things that I found that's very successful at helping people to transform their minds is T. Harv Ekker's Millionaire Mind Intensive and his company Peak Potentials. If you get a chance, go to the website Peak Potentials, look up T. Harv Eker, watch some of his videos, and if you can, go see him in person and attend his 3-day Millionaire Mind Intensive. Some of the other things that we found to work are hypnotherapy, NLP, neuro-linguistic programming that is, and a number of other methods to help program your subconscious mind to have the beliefs that you want to have in order to create the success that you want. So if you tune into one of our live webinars on the subject of transforming your subconscious mind, or watch one of our future videos, we'll cover these subjects in more detail.